Judges, please note next participants is eNest 134. eNest 134.
Yes, ma'am. So should I start?
Start, ma, no problem, start.
Thank you, ma'am. Good evening to all of you present over here. I'm here to present my poster on a topic of nanotechnology, the novel drug delivery system in cosmetics. Myself, Babylata Sindhu, and I'm B Pharma 8th SEM student. Novel drug delivery system refers to the approaches, formulation, and a technology that we are using to transform any pharmaceutical compound in such a body that achieve desired therapeutic effect. Nanotechnology is one of the NDDs that have vast application in cosmetology. It shows great effect, greater efficacy, safety, bioavailability, therapeutic index, etc. Nanoparticles are considered as insoluble, biopersistent, and intentionally manufactured compounds that have size range from 1 to 100 nanometer. Nano means dwarf, and generally the size have of the all nanoparticles are between the range of 1 to 100 nanoparticles. The cosmetics are one of the rapidly growing market in whole world, as people are growing more and more concerned about the beautifying uh, about their personality with the intellectual. The global cosmetic market size valued to be 380.2 billion and projected to reach on 463.5 billion by 2020. We use various type of nanoparticles like solid lipid nanoparticles, in which the solid centered lipid nanoparticles and that comprise both hydrophilic and hydrophobic medication. Polymeric based, that compound are entrapped in a polymeric surface, and uh, they are used. Metallic based nanoparticles, we generally use here gold and silver nanoparticles, and vesicular based. They are polymeric and vesicular and nanoparticle. Both disciplinary are mixed here to use in a nanotechnology. I also represented here various marketed formulation that we use in daily basis that are nanoparticles, like Allure body cream, that is solid lipid nanoparticle. We use it as a moisturizer. uh, Vitamin C, liposomal serum, that is a liposome, that is anti-wrinkle, skin brightening, and of course moisturizer. We also use gold nanoparticles for as an anti-aging, neutralizing the sun damage, uh, neosomes, anti-age response cream, nanospore for hydrating the deep moisturizers. These are the some marketed formulation that we use regularly in our daily basis and as a cosmetic that are nanoparticles. As everything have two faces, one is good and one is bad. We all know what is cosmetic, that we applied it over the skin, that do not penetrate in the skin. um, as the nanoparticles have enormously uh, small scale of internal structure, they can penetrate inside the skin. I have mentioned some example like zinc oxides, titanium dioxide, that have potential to penetrate across the skin, cause the necrosis, autophagy, etc. uh, that some nanoparticles that penetrate the skin or lung tissue can cause extensive organ damage, and mainly it is very expensive and difficult to manufacture because of its small size. And but uh, but the uh, cosmetics around the nanotechnology is revolving, and nanotechnology is growing its path towards the cosmetics. Cosmetics have become one of the inevitable part of the modern lifestyle. We are growing as the cosmetic is also growing. But for if we produce any nanotechnology and nanoparticle to be used as cosmetic, we have to consider few facts that it should not penetrate more and should not do any damage or autophagy and necrosis. So nanotechnology can be a boon if we take care some of the properties and its attacking power. So here's my so nanotechnology work as a key innovation from promoting the cosmetics. Nanotechnology gives us material associated with surprisingly small scale and with new contrasting properties. Thank you so much.
Now over to respected judges for discussion followed by questions.
Okay, Babilata. Can you hear me,
Yes,
Babilata?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
Okay. So you are a B.Pharm student?
Yes, I'm B.Pharm 8th SEM student.
8th SEM student. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what is the logic behind selection of this topic, that nanotechnology in the cosmetic?
Actually, I was doing a report work on it. So
Project work you are doing, right?
yes, sir. I'm doing my project work
So,
on 8th SEM in it on nanotechnology.
have you aware about the applications of this nanotechnology in the cosmetics?
Yes, sir. Yeah, I mentioned the marketed formulation that are used as a cosmetic that are nanotechnology.
Do you
Like
know
your
how
body cream.
to evaluate these nanotechnology formulations?
Like it is good or bad. Like
No, not. I'm talking about with respect to the efficacy.
okay, how to evaluate the efficacy?
Yes, means once this formulation is done or formulated, so how to evaluate this? How you come to know that nanoparticles are formed, or that formulation which is there is stable? What required for that?
Uh, if we are producing any type of nanoparticles, nanotechnology, we have to go through like a drug. We have to go through the clinical trials. Any
I'm
clinical
talking about
trials
the
on it.
evaluation part. When you're talking about this nanosomes, nanosphere, neosomes, or gold nanoparticle or
Yes.
liposomes which you formed. So particularly when we are talking about nanoparticles, how you will come to know if these nanoparticles are formed or not?
I don't know about that.
Do you know? Do you have any instrument in your mind that is required for the evaluation or for the checking of these nanoparticles? No. What is your project title? The same?
Yes, it's the same. Novel drug delivery
Okay.
system in cosmetics.
So you're talking about novel drug delivery system in the cosmetic for nanotechnology, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me the advantages of this particular technology?
Yes, sir. Uh, Firstly, the main advantage is its size. It have enormously small size, and it can as small size it can give better on the better surface area. So we can say the main point behind using the nanotechnology is for its size, and with small size we have more and more advantages. It really it uh, spread over the skin most easily. It spread over the skin easily as because of its size. The cosmetic is something that we use over the skin.
Okay, Bibilata, thank you. This is from my side. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Satyanarayanan sir, any other questions? Any other questions from judges?
Few questions.
Okay,
Hello,
sir.
madam.
Okay. Okay, sir. Proceed, sir. Can proceed, sir.
Your presentation was nice. I have few questions. You told about that toxicology. What is that? It is the nanoparticles are very small, so it is easily penetrate to the what is that skin, and it affected some effects and all. Okay, so toxicity is one of the very important disadvantage of nanotechnology. How to overcome the cosmetics
Yes.
preparation should not penetrate into the skin? What are the polymers used for that, and how it is overcome?
Sir, we use various nanoparticle, that I've mentioned, like zinc and titanium, that itself have its potential to induce the autophagy and necrosis. But there are some nanoparticles which, if that penetrate the skin, they do not cause that much effect. So choosing the particular type of nanoparticle that will not cause that much of harm. Firstly, first that we mentioned these things. Secondly, we use like polymers around it.
Tell some
Polymers and
tell some polymers examples for the, especially for the this one skin applications or topical applications, especially only for that. Any US FDA approved polymers is available only for topical applications.
I don't have any right now in my mind.
Okay. Okay, then, madam.
Sir, okay. Manoj, sir, any other questions?
No, madam, we can proceed.
Okay, sir. Next participant.